Hi friends, this is KB. How are you guys? So today I'm gonna show you my most expensive purchase for myself, especially in US, which is this a brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is cost me around 1500 is the price plus taxes. Then I have also taken one protection plan for a year, so it's cost me around 1500. If I'll talk about an Indian price, so it's about 1,20,000. So this phone is in black color and it has 256 GB storage. So let's open this. Okay, so this I'm gonna uncover the cap, and this is the phone. There's also one cover. Let's unwrap. Smooth, shining finishing, a great phone. Let's open this. I think it will take time, or I need to recharge first. No, it's open. It's going to open now. So this is my most expensive phone which I have purchased in US. So I just want to show you all this phone, my Samsung S23 Ultra. I hope you like it, and comment me if you want to know some more about this phone. I'll show you more features of this phone. Till then, bye bye. Take care.